Yesterday I just drove by. We just, wanted to clean. But this morning I got up 7 a.m. on a real estate trip to come talk to the man in charge to get the job. It's now a little bit past that time. And guess what I get told to do? Walk through the building. Let me know what you think. Give me a price. So me and the wife, we're going to walk through the building and give him a price. So you guys stay tuned.
And so they told us to come and look at a few of them.
How you doing? Good morning. It's the roughest looking one right here. That's good. I need the roughest looking one. I don't want the butter one. And then I be done trick myself. I don't want that one. There's gonna be some nice apartments though, for sure. Alright guys, as you can see, this is normal standard apartment complex clean. The big thing is gonna be a major dust on your floors and things like this that you're gonna wanna look at, because that's where you're gonna make a lot of your money and your time, and spend a lot of your time on the floors. But standard room there. Again, same thing here. Always hit the fans, the windows. I'll pull up a window and get closer. These things right here, be sure to clean out those pans because they check for that. That just helps you look better and don't look so sleazeball when you're done. That's it, nothing more, nothing less. It's a big, basic, standard bathroom. Maybe it's ADA. Yeah, it's an ADA compliant bathroom. A lot of the times you'll see this. And what I want you guys to see is how this comes up. What I would do is ask if I can leave it for the rough, because it helps protect the sheen and shine on the vinyl. It's very easy to get it done. So I just asked if I could leave that part during the rough, so that when I come back on the final to clean it, it doesn't take me as much time as just a wipe down in the bathroom, because they've done a lot of the work already. Your laundry rooms. What you want to look at in your laundry rooms and be careful to pay attention to is right there. A lot of people don't vacuum this out. You see that? It's just soft, fine dust. You don't want to vacuum that out. Simple, easy, everything. Wipe down your boxes, your electrical boxes. They got Siemens. Again, this is a very standard clean, you guys. Like any other clean. But it's better than the foreclosure clean out. It's better than the office clean out, because it's a different thing every day. Big, beautiful buildings and big, beautiful places. And the amount that you're getting paid is crazy. So for the windows, I think these are wined out, but you want to for sure to get that. Open it and getting those as well. What we got in this bathroom? They don't have mirrors up yet, but here's a mirror that they're gonna put up. You deal with this toilet where you see the water's already stained. You see it a lot in new construction, because once they put the utilities in first before they put the foundation or the building up, it's just sitting there and the pipe's just sitting there. So the first time they actually run the water is when they put the tub in, fill it up to check capacity, pressure, and all that. So you're gonna have problems with that always. Don't be the person that leaves that on the toilet. That's the number one way to get me to scream on you at a job site and try and bite your head off. Don't do that. So all in all, guys, this is a very standard clean. You cannot go wrong on this clean. You cannot lose money. But what I do know is that it's a Davis-Bacon job site. I don't know if I put up a Davis-Bacon video yet, but I will put that video up so you guys know exactly what Davis-Bacon means. I'm in one unit, in one building, and these are around buildings that you can see just from the window of the one unit that I'm in. Every day is a day to get money, guys. Every day is a day to pursue our future. So I just want you guys to always be willing to do that. Had I not seen it, had I not pulled over and asked a worker, and he told me to come back at 7, I wouldn't be standing here right now knowing that they have random people cleaning this 6-figure job site for me. So again, guys, process for profit, service business simplified, all service business, all success. I am Puri, and I'm signing out. Let's go get this thing signed, guys. Peace.